Okay nga ba itong Huawei Band 6 wearable? Especially yung mga workout features niya. Hi guys, I'm Rica G and this is Rica G channel. Welcome back for another vlog, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new on this channel talks about lifestyle, tips, tutorials, and reviews. For today's video, i-review natin kung okay nga ba yung Huawei Band 6, especially yung workout features niya. Start natin with jumping and biking. So guys, itatry ko yung jumping muna, by 50s muna, and then i-check ko kung accurate na 50 yung makakount niya na jumps. So, it says here 50 jumps. So, sakto siya, 50. Try natin ulit another round. So, nag-trip ako ng isa, pero nakalagay dito, total of 97 jumps, 2 trips. Pero sa count ko, 100 jumps na. So, let's try another one. So, all in all, 145 jumps. Pero sa count ko, 150 yung nagawa ko. 5 trips. Close enough yung count niya. Merong 5 na difference. Last try. So, 198 yung total na jump. So, ito lumalabas din dito kung warm up, anaerobic, yan, fat burning. Nag-a-appear din siya dyan. So, pag i-stop nyo na yung workout, click nyo tong red, and workout. Then, ayan, total jumps, 198, duration, and calories na nababurn. Lalabas na dito yung records, and masisync na siya sa phone nyo. So, for biking, si Joffrey magbabike kasi hindi ako marunong magbike. So, itest natin yung biking niya na workout mode. So, try natin yung outdoor bike. So, ayan, distance, 1.95 kilometer, 11 minutes. Warm up, kanina naka fat burning siya eh. Okay, first kilometer. It says your heart rate 102. 12 minutes. 2 kilometers, 133 heart rate, aerobic. Okay, 3 kilometers, aerobic, 152 heart rate.
4 kilometers, 133 heart rate, aerobic. Okay, I'm getting near to my goal, 5 kilometers. It's already 4.86 kilometers, aerobic, 132 heart rate, 51 minutes. So, I finished the 5 kilometer, fat burning rate, 125, 55 minutes.
So, pag in-end workout siya, magsisync na agad siya sa Huawei Health app nyo sa cellphone nyo. So, ito sa details, 5.14 kilometers. Then, click nyo lang yan, pace, yung route, charts, and details. Makikita nyo lahat yung details ng workout. So, for aerobics naman, nag-check lang ako sa YouTube. Etong 30 minutes na aerobics, burn 400 calories. Pero after ko nung aerobics, eto, nag-appear sa Huawei Band 6, 271 calories for 34 minutes. So, for quick unboxing lang, all-day SpO2 monitoring, 1.47 AMOLED full display, long battery life, all-day heart rate monitoring, 96 workout modes, fast charging, scientific sleep tracking, true sport, scientific algorithm, 5 ATM water resistance. And then itong sa likod, pwede nyong i-scan to install the app. And then inside are the manual and warranty card. So ito na yung pinaka Huawei Band 6 in Sakura Pink and may charger din nakasama. For other features, pag i-up mo yung arm mo to check the time, nagla-light up siya. Mabilis yung reaction. Ayan, nagla-light up. Dito sa side, yung button dito, pag kinlik mo, lalabas na lahat yung mga function, like itong workout. So, pag kinlik mo yung workout, pwede kang pumili kung ano yung workout na ilalagay mo. Kasi 96 nga yung workout mode dito. So, pwede mo siyang i-customize kung ano yung gusto mong included. Skipping, indoor walk, outdoor run, aerobics. And then yung workout record mo, nandito na rin nakalagay. And nasisync din siya dun sa Huawei Health app. Heart rate, namomonitor din. And itong SpO2 or oxygen monitoring, yan, measure natin, sample tayo. So, okay na okay to, lalo na ngayon COVID, namomonitor natin yung oxygen level natin. Keep still, measuring. So, ayan, 100% yung oxygen level. And then, activity record. Ito yung favorite ko, yung sleep. Ayan, namomonitor ilang hours yung sleep. And, yung stress level. Meron ding breathing exercise. Pwede ring makontrol yung music sa phone. And remote shutter for camera on your phone. Notification kung anong app yung gusto nyong ma-notify, pwede nyong iset. Weather. Stopwatch. Timer. Alarm. Torch. And then find phone. So,
pwede nyong malocate yung phone nyo kasi nga connected siya through Bluetooth. And then, pwedeng palitan yung mga watch faces. Sa Huawei Health app naman sa phone nyo, makikita nyo lahat yung records nyo. Yung weight, cycle calendar, so, ito naman yung favorite kong features niya. If you have been sitting down for over an hour, magva-vibrate siya para i-remind ka na gumalaw ka na. It's time for you to move. So, ayun guys, dapat mag-invest din tayo sa health natin. The price of this is 2,599 only. Tinry natin siya for aerobics, jumping, running, and biking. For an affordable Huawei wearable bands, I think this is sulit naman. So, that's it for our review. Thank you for watching Rica G channel. Bye!